Hello, yeah. Um, I'm gonna be making a Psycho auto buyer tutorial type thing for Darkstar. Okay, so firstly we're going to open our program here, psycho.exe. If you're running Vista, you're gonna have to right-click it and run it as an administrator. Allow it. Now the program has come up. I'm gonna log in with my authorization for Darkstar. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna just hit authorize. Alright, now I'm gonna head and click Neopets login. And once I do that, I'll be prompted with asking for my username and password. So I'm gonna go ahead and click this. I'm gonna be asked for my password. And I'm going to hit login. Okay, it's gonna get all your login details, your username, your pet, the points on hand, and till and total. As you can see, I don't have any points here, but say I were to magically gain some points here, I could update my account stats by clicking this button under Neopets login on the left. And there you have it, 10,000, 10,000. Now is what we're going to do. We're going to our settings here, and I'm gonna show you what each of them basically does. Under settings, we have main, list, extra, and special. I just clicked main, and obviously there's a start and stop button. That's a little obvious what it actually does. Now under the buy settings, we have our shop number. This is the ID of the shop that you can see when you go to it in the actual browser. And the haggle percent is the percent of the total number they're asking for that you'll actually haggle and buy the item for. The timing is refresh interval. This means it'll refresh between how many of this seconds and how many of that seconds. Don't make it a little bit unhuman-like and put it at 0 to 0.1. That's gonna be a little stupid. And after buy, you could have the options of giving it to a friend, put it in your gallery, put it in your shop, put it in your STB, or do nothing. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my shop. Now list here, this is where you load the items that you want to actually buy from the shop ID here. So is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna load a list. I'm gonna load. Let's do food here, and that's basically it. You can add an item by entering it in, remove a selected item, or remove a specific item that you have here. I'll show you. I'll remove the call. That's the way it's gone now, and the rest I just went through. Now extra here is if you wanted to minimize the system tray, it'll actually here I'll show you. When I minimize it, it'll go down right there. It's going to be right there. And now when I maximize it, I just double click it. And there you have that. Enable sounds. When it buys an item, it'll make a noise, etc., etc. Logs. It'll make a file called logs.txt, and it'll log every buy and every fail that you've made. The gzip, no idea, but I hope it makes it go faster. The RS ban, every 5 minutes it'll check to see if you're restock banned. And now the Neo points here is when you have a certain number less, you could either do nothing, or withdraw from the bank, or withdraw from your shop till. And the proof and notification is make HTML screenshot of buys. This doesn't work, but the pop-up notification of successful buys does work. And now for special, this basically has a list of accounts that you can create. That if you are restock banned, it'll automatically log into that. Or you can keep the program running, shut down the program, shut down your computer, or switch the account. And the timed auto buying is if you enable it, it'll refresh for 30 minutes with any buys that you got, and then pause for 30 minutes. And after that 30 minutes, it'll go ahead and do another 30 minutes. And then log you have here, and then info, you basically have everything about what it's about. So what I did, I loaded a list for the food shop. So I'm going to go ahead and change that. That's shop ID number 1. I'm going to go ahead and click start. And now we're going to our log. It's checking that we're not restock banned. It's found 6 items, and it's going to wait 3.2 seconds to refresh again. I'm going to go back to our settings here and go to list. It's going to show us the items in here. So what I'm doing, I'm going to add an item. I'm going to add the winter melon. That way it'll buy it on the next refresh. So we'll go here. Attempting. There you go. And if there's another one, I'm going to do a nice one over here that will show you the actual event. There you have it. Now we go back over here, and we'll go ahead and stop the auto buyer. We have our log here, and if we go to our log.txt, we'll see all the buys and whatnot over here. Alright, well, I hope that basically covers what you need to know about this program. Go ahead to darkstar.com, register an account, buy premium. You'll get this amazing program, and you'll be a silent cheater. Well, I guess that's all we have to know about now for this program. So I'm going to hit exit, and I'm going to exit the program. Vista sucks. See you next time.